Tired of carrying a huge wad of keys and that bulky ring-on-ring mess? Unreliable connectors. We get it. You shouldn't have to compromise. This changes everything. It's the bulky key rings. Easily swap out different connectors. Welcome to a true connection system. Magnetic and mechanical dual connection. Powerful N56 magnets ready for anything. For everyday life. For outdoor adventures. Freeing up your hands. Securing your gear, always. Stick it to any metal surface. Enjoy that satisfying click. Titaner EDC connector, redefine your carry.